Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fishco. In this video, we are going to discuss important feeds that are developed and patented by ICAR institutes. So, hope so you may get one or two questions from this section. So let's see. First of all, ICAR CIFA, that is Central Institute of Freshwater Aquaculture. So it is divided into feed name, then technology, then species targeted and special feature of that feed. So first is Jayanti feed, that is for Jayanti Rohu, and specialty about this is high protein carp feed tailored for genetically improved Rohu. Then Sifa carp grower feed, that is for IMC Rohu Katla Mrigal, balanced protein energy ratio for grow out phase. Then Sifa floating feed, so it was developed for IMC, cost effective floating pellets and they are farmer friendly. Then next is Sifa MFP, that is monosex tilapia feed. It is for tilapia, then nutritionally complete for monosex male tilapia. Then next is Sifa grower shrimp feed, developed for Penis monodon. It is lab formulated brackish water shrimp feed. Now coming towards ICAR SIVA, that is Central Institute of Brackish Water Aquaculture. So first of all, they have developed Vanami Plus, that is for Penis Vanami, indigenous cost effective grow out feed. The next is Shiba Nutri Shrimp, that is developed for Penis Vanami and Penis monodon, commercialized shrimp feed. It has high digestibility. The next is Siba NutriCarb, developed for mud crab, that is Scalus serrata, first formulated feed for crab fattening and grow out. The next is Siba Nutri Lobster, developed for spiny lobster, experimental feed for early grow out. The next is Siba Nutri Plus, that is for tilapia, brackish water tilapia feed eco friendly. The next is Shiba Shrimp Larval Feed, that is for shrimp post larvae, larval feed for hatchery phase. Next is plant based fish feed, that is soy and cotton seed based alternative to fish meal. Now ICAR DCFR, they have developed DCFR rainbow trout feed for rainbow trout, high protein greater than 40%, cold water specialized feed. Mahasir grower feed, golden mahasir, nutritionally balanced for endangered sport fish. Then ICAR Semafry, they have developed cobia starter and grower feed for cobia, marine finfish feed with balanced amino acid. The next is silver pompano feed, silver pompano, marine cage culture feed. Then marine ornamental fish feed for clownfish and damsels, color enhancing micronutrient rich feed. Then ICAR SIFT, they have developed feed fortification additives, all fish feed, antioxidant mycotoxin binders probiotic developed by SIFT. Fish meal alternative for carp and shrimp, fermented plant based protein additives. Then ICAR and BFGR, they are not directly involved in production of feed, but they support nutritional profiling of indigenous fish species as well as safe feed formulation avoiding transgenic or alien species. So that's all for this video. I hope you may get one or two questions from this section. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you for watching.